going live with Facebook. So anytime you do live events, make sure when you hit the live button, it takes a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Make sure that you have good signal on your mobile device. Um, all right, so when you log into Facebook, all you're gonna do is hit that live button. You'll see it anytime you create a post. You'll see the button. Sometimes we miss it, but it's right. It's right next to it. So if you're ready to create a post, or maybe you're posting a comment, you notice there's a button there's called live. When you click on live button, um, there's gonna be a screen that pops up like this. You can add your description, okay, maybe the address of the property, right? And then click on the start live video. So when you do that, you're live. I mean, okay, so oops. When you click on start live, boom, your video comes up on the top right corner. It's gonna say live, and on there you have your tools, right? You can chat with people on there if they have any questions. You can chat on there. You can flip your camera around to face you instead of the property. Uh, that's what the little camera icon with the switch. Okay, you can see who chats, who comes up. People can also, do emojis in there as well. Maybe the heart emoji saying they really like it. Right? All right. So, and of course, the flash is basically if you're in a dark area in the house, make sure that you can turn on the camera flash in the back and you can show the property. But once you're live on there, you can see, people. When people come in, you'll see number next to the live on the top right corner. You're going to see a number of people who's attending your live open or live showing, right? Now, when you're done with the whole event, you can click stop call at the bottom right corner. It says finish, and you're done, right? So you could technically save it. Oops, let me go back. Once you're done with the event, you can save it. It's going to ask you to save, delete, or share. Most times, a lot of the times, or most of the times, agents like to share what had been pre-recorded or actually during the live event. So people that missed it, you have 24 hours to view the live event. It's going to be shown on Facebook. So again, there's three options. You can either save it, delete it, or share. Okay, you'll see it once you hit the finish button here at the bottom right.
Don't forget to follow us on social media, and thank you for watching.